Welcome back to Clear Task. Today we are going to tackle a common formatting question: how to justify text in Microsoft Word so your documents look clean and professional. Have you ever noticed how books and newspapers have perfectly straight margins on both the left and right sides? That is called justified text, and it is a great way to give your essays, reports, or business letters a polished, uniform look. In this quick guide, I will show you two simple methods to align your text properly. Let's dive right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document. If you have a paragraph or an entire document with uneven edges on the right side, you will need to select the text first. To select all the text in your document at once, simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Alternatively, if you only want to justify a specific paragraph, you can just click and drag your mouse to highlight it. Now for the first method. With your text selected, look up at the top ribbon in Word. Make sure you are on the Home tab. Next, look for the Paragraph section. Here, you will see a row of alignment icons. Click the Justify icon. It is the one with perfectly even lines on both the left and right. Instantly, your text will align cleanly to both margins. If you want to be even faster and work like a pro, here is the second method using a quick keyboard shortcut. Once your text is highlighted, simply press Ctrl and the letter J at the exact same time. Just like that, your text is justified. Ctrl J is a fantastic shortcut to memorize to speed up your workflow, and that is all there is to it. Two incredibly easy ways to justify your text in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more quick, straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.